You know you're not allowed to have Pepsi.
Yeah, I was, Eric.
Well, obviously not.
Mom said I could.
So you're gonna cry about a Pepsi?
Oh, not like.
You're gonna cry about a Pepsi, right?
Never mind.
Well, what do you mean, never mind? Why are you crying? Do you see that you're being videotaped?
Yeah, I do.
And you're still crying. You just tried to cry and it didn't work. Yeah. Yeah.
Mom was being mean.
Oh, I know. She took away the Pepsi.
You're
Oh.
right, she did. And she was
Yeah.
being mean.
Yeah, that's horrible. Come on, cry some more, baby. Cry some more. Come on. Cry, baby.